Welcome to Getting Started with Glucoberry, your guide to lowering blood sugar. In this video, we will provide you with essential information and tips on how to effectively lower your blood sugar levels with the help of Glucoberry. Whether you are newly diagnosed with diabetes or looking for natural ways to manage your condition, this guide will be highly valuable. So let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics of using Glucoberry, it's crucial to understand what blood sugar is and why it's essential to keep it in check. High blood sugar levels can lead to various health complications, while maintaining optimal levels can contribute to overall well-being. We'll explore the science behind blood sugar regulation and its impact on your health. Now that you have a better understanding of blood sugar, it's time to introduce you to Glucoberry. Glucoberry is a revolutionary product that harnesses the power of natural ingredients to support healthy blood sugar levels. We'll explain how Glucoberry works, its key ingredients, and the benefits it can provide. To effectively lower your blood sugar with Glucoberry, you need to know how to incorporate it into your daily routine. We'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on getting started with Glucoberry, including dosage instructions, recommended usage, and important considerations. It's time to take control of your blood sugar levels. In addition to using Glucoberry, there are various lifestyle changes you can make to effectively manage your blood sugar levels. We'll share valuable tips on diet, exercise, stress management, and other lifestyle factors that play a significant role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Hearing from people who have successfully lowered their blood sugar with Glucoberry can be highly motivating. We'll share inspiring testimonials and success stories from individuals who have experienced significant improvements in their blood sugar levels and overall well-being. Get ready to be inspired. As we conclude our guide, we hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to lower your blood sugar with Glucoberry. Remember, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diabetes management routine. Take the necessary steps to achieve optimal blood sugar levels and live a healthier life.